Hello everyone, today we have a 2011 Ford F-150 SVT Raptor. It's going to have the 6.2 liter gasoline engine, and it is sounding smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. Alright, you see that it does have the tow hooks up front, fixed running boards, power sliding back window, Bedliner, and you do have the tow hooks on the back with the receiver and kind of a rhino coat bumper, the same as is on the running boards. This vehicle does have a clean CARFAX. It does have a black pinhole leather interior. It has a 110 volt outlet right there and a 12 volt power outlet. A ton of room in there. And this keypad, super handy. I use mine in my F-150 all the time. And see that it does have the Raptor seats. These are actually super comfortable. And as you look down, you'll see that it has 107,338 miles on this vehicle. And then you got your cruise control and your key fob. And you see that it does have remote start right there. And there are two keys, 2 and 4 wheel drive, trailering controls. And you have your external temperature and your compass. And your backup camera illuminates right there in your mirror. As we come down here, you see that you do have a CD drive, and you have your push to talk. You also have heated front seats and your other comfort controls, and then you have your USB and auxiliary ports right there. There's your off-road mode and your upfitter switches, which we'll go ahead and turn those on so you can take a look at it when we hop outside. And then you have your shifter, cup holder, and additional storage down in there. Another 12 volt power outlet here. Map reading lights and sunglasses holder. And that about wraps it up for this Raptor on the interior. As I mentioned, this vehicle does have a clean CARFAX. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.